Developers shouldn't have to gamble with AI settings. It should be smart enough to optimize itself. And that's exactly what we've built. Introducing DoCoreAI, the game-changing intelligence profiler for AI prompt optimization. Let's dive in and see how it transforms AI interactions. Developers struggle with optimizing AI prompts. The manual trial and error approach is inefficient, costly, and unpredictable. Meet John, an AI developer. His team spends hours tweaking temperature, max tokens, and other parameters just to get the right response from AI. Sounds familiar, right? The team is on a mission to get the perfect AI response. But there's a problem. They have no idea what the best settings are. So what do? Let's take a look. John's first method, the good old trial and error approach. He tweaks temperature, runs a test, hates the result, tweaks it again and again and again. Feels like guessing a Wi-Fi password at a coffee shop. This eats up hours of his time, burns through API tokens, and the worst part? The settings that work today might fail completely on a different query tomorrow. Next, John and his team think, what if we set predefined temperature values? Sounds smart, right? Math problem? Keep it strict. Temperature 0, 1, max underscore tokens 50. Creative writing? Let's spice it up. Temperature 0, 9, max underscore tokens 500. But wait, not every query fits into a neat little box. Yeah, John's presets don't work here as well. Okay, so what if we tweak the response dynamically based on context? Sounds fancy, but here's the problem. It only works for words the developer predefines. If John didn't anticipate the exact phrase in advance, the AI is still guessing. And does it consider reasoning, precision, and creativity? No, it's like setting cruise control without a steering wheel. John's last resort? Hard limiting max underscore tokens to control costs. Makes sense until it doesn't. Set it too low? The AI gets cut off mid-sentence like a bad Zoom call. Too high? You're paying for a novel when you just needed a tweet. And that's the reality of AI tuning today. Trial, error, frustration, and wasted API calls. But what if there was a smarter way? For businesses, this means increased API costs, inconsistent AI behavior, and wasted development time. Without automation, this problem only gets worse. Despite advancements in AI, the industry still lacks a dynamic, automated way to optimize intelligence properties. But what if the future is already here? Introducing DoCoreAI, an open-source intelligence profiler that dynamically adjusts reasoning, creativity, precision, and temperature, all in a single step. Tired of endless tweaking and unpredictable AI responses? Yeah, we were too. That's why DoCoreAI does all the heavy lifting for you. No more hard-coded rules, no more trial and error. Instead, DoCoreAI dynamically adjusts temperature and max tokens for every query, on the fly. It ensures the perfect balance of reasoning, creativity, and precision, without you lifting a finger. Less time tweaking, lower API costs, smarter AI, automatically. Welcome to the future of AI prompt optimization. Think of AI like a human brain. Some queries need deep reasoning, others need more creativity. DoCoreAI analyzes every prompt and predicts the intelligence mix needed for the best response. Instead of manually setting a fixed temperature, DoCoreAI dynamically adjusts it based on reasoning, creativity, and precision. More creativity? Higher temperature. More precision? Lower temperature. Unlike traditional AI models that need frequent manual tuning, DoCoreAI automates optimization in real time, saving time, improving consistency, and reducing costs. Let's see DoCoreAI in action. Watch how it optimizes AI responses in real time, ensuring smarter, more cost-effective outputs. You are seeing the PyPI page. This is where you can easily download DoCoreAI. It's all just a pip install away. The GitHub repository appears. Here, not only can you download the source code, but you can also fork it to build on your own ideas. Next, we switch over to VS Code. Watch as the terminal runs the unicorn command to start our web server. In just a few moments, the server is live at 127, one at port 8000. The server startup message confirms that everything is running smoothly. We click on the server link in the terminal, which takes us directly to the Swagger interface. The Swagger page is open, and you see the /docs endpoint, ideal for quick developer testing of our APIs. A click on the /intelligence profiler demo link sets us up for a fast API test. A sample input format is displayed, showing exactly how to structure your requests. We transition over to Postman, ready to test the APIs in a real-world environment. Now, we are about to test the normal prompt API. Notice the JSON input. For example, the user asks, "Can you walk me through how to connect my laptop to the new network?" with the role of a technical support agent. A quick click sends the request back in VS Code, where you see the normal prompt code in action. Here, the temperature is set to 0.8, even though many say the default is 0.7, demonstrating a controlled yet flexible response setting. We switch back to Postman to inspect the normal prompt response. You can see a standard JSON output, clearly displaying the AI's answer in a structured format. Now, on a new Postman tab, are about to test the DoCoreAI's intelligence profiler endpoint with the same input as normal prompt. This endpoint is designed to dynamically adjust parameters and optimize the response. Then, we head back to VS Code to show the intelligence profiler code. Notice how the temperature setting is commented out. This means the code calculates the temperature dynamically based on the query's context, without manual intervention. Finally, we return to Postman to check the intelligence profiler's response. The output is concise, to the point, and includes dynamically generated intelligence parameters and temperature values, showing exactly how DoCoreAI optimizes AI responses in real time. And that, in a nutshell, is how DoCoreAI transforms prompt optimization. But here's what makes it truly groundbreaking. DoCoreAI is the first of its kind to introduce fully automated temperature settings for AI applications. No more manual fine-tuning or guesswork. Our engine dynamically adjusts temperature based on reasoning, creativity, and precision, ensuring optimal response quality every time. This isn't just a tool for developers. It's a game changer for businesses looking to cut costs, improve AI efficiency, and accelerate development. Let AI decide the temperature so you can focus on building smarter, faster, and more cost-effective AI solutions.